Hello and welcome to my channel. On this video I'll be showing you how to make these acetate butterflies. You're going to be using alcohol inks and alcohol markers, and I was just dabbling with them the other day and I just thought, geez, these are fun. I think I'm going to share these out, which leads me to I've been doing other projects with the alcohol inks because this has been a lot of fun. Now here's a scrap piece right here, but I'm going to actually use it because I'm going to push butterflies here and like with my little punch and that. But I want to show you how I started this, and I purchased this blower, which this might be your best friend when you start working with alcohol inks. I just thought this was really cool to blow it without overdrawing it. Now I'm going to be getting blenders to move the alcohol better, the alcohol inks, but right now this works really nice for what I've done. So I'm going to show you here. I already punched a butterfly out, and here's what I did right here, and here is the butterfly that came out of here with these colors. And then I did a alcohol marker for the antennas. So I'm going to try different colors here because this one I used all kinds of little colors that I have right here. I have a bunch. So let's see what I want to try. I'm going to fool around with this on camera in front of you to see what color would I like. Now what I've noticed is some are really liquidy, that they spread real super fast, and others, like the metallic colors, which that's a metallic color, stay stable. That's where you're going to need, I don't have the solutions to thin it out right yet because I was just started working with alcohol markers, or inkers, sorry. And let's see, I want to try something that I didn't use. So I'm going to look through my colors. Oh, this is really a pretty one. Did I use this one? I don't know. Let's try this one. So what I'm going to do, I don't know, it looks like some writing here, but there really isn't. It's totally clear. Okay. So hopefully this will work now that I unclogged it. Alright, one here. Here. Come on. See, that's not going to smudge too good. When you blow it, see, it works good. Now if you have the thinner, it'd go spread more, but I think it's still cool. I love the color though, that's really pretty. It's drying out too much. Let's try it. Oh, that's much better. Wow. Alright, let's spread this baby out. Oh my god, I really like the color of this. This is called pearlescent turquoise. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. I'm going to spread it out. Now this will take a while to dry. I'm not kidding. You could use I wouldn't use a heat gun because you're going to melt the acetate, but I have used a hair dryer. But it still takes a little while. It's better to just do this and let it sit overnight, to be honest with you. But if you're in a hurry to get it done, then you can use a normal blow dryer. Okay. I'm going to show you some thinner ones in a minute. I love this. That's why I might come out with this. I really like this color. It's going to be pretty for a butterfly. So I'm going to show you, just to show you an example of some thinner ones. Let's see. And it's going to spread crazy. Back out. Move her the other way. See, you can see how thin that comes on? This is going to move really easy because it's really, really thin. But it should look nice together. Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. So you can also wait in between layers so they don't mix too much, because with this, the green one, I was noticing the green mixed with the blue, and yellow and blue make green, so if you're not careful, you're going to get something you might not want. But this, I love. I don't know what color I'm going to come back with it. It's really pretty. Maybe you could tell me in the comments what's your favorite color. Like this. It has to be alcohol based, so if you put a water base on this, it's just going to wash right off. You have to put this on, let it sit for a while. Like I said, you can use the hair dryer, just slowly on low, not high, because you'll melt the acetate. Alright, I know I keep saying that, it's a lot of fun here. It's a lot of fun working with the different colors. I'm going to put something over here too a little bit. And maybe here, because I know I'm going to use all this stuff up. I don't waste any. I really am liking the results of working with alcohol inks, refills. Keep saying alcohol inks, but it is alcohol ink, but they're the refills. Which, just in case you're new to crafting, the refills just fill up an ink pad. Alright, I think I'm going to come back. There's, alright, this is going to be a thicker one because all the iridescents so far that I have here are really thick, so they won't spread as much. But, I do like it. Yeah, and then if you're having trouble, like, sometimes I have trouble mixing what color together, there's the color wheel you can always go to and check the color wheel out, and from there you can decide what you want to do. Mix the colors, how they would look. Oh, alright, this is cool. I like the mix of that, that's nice. Okay. The iridescent colors, this is beautiful. Alright, let's try over here and here. Like I said, this is way thinner, these ones, but the iridescent stays stable. Sorry if I repeat myself. I kind of like when I get excited. I tend to repeat myself a lot. It's funny. Oh well. I wonder if you're saying, should I put a touch of pink on this one? I really like the colors together. Let's see. I need to get some more of these. These are, ooh. Okay, this was on the thinner side. I'm surprised. Maybe my stuff is just drying out. Let's see. I don't want to overwhelm any color. I just want to mix really colors that blend in together. That's cool. Okay. Let's spread it on the open side of it. And like I said, you can always come back with any color you want. I'm going to put one over here and some in here. So I want that to spread a little bit. Alright. More of the blue. I'm going to shake this blue up again. I kind of like that. I want it to be little darks and spots, but also to be like iridescent, like you can see through things. It'll look really pretty on a butterfly. This one on here, I don't think so. Let's see. Just one little dab. Will do ya? Let's see. Like I said, I don't want to overpower any particular color. Actually, that's nice. That's gold. Let me add a little touch of that one here too, every so often. Okay. Yeah. I mean, this is a lot of fun. I kind of encourage you to do this. It's really, I don't know how to explain it to you, but it's really fun. Fun, enjoyable. I'm going to put it, I want to extend it right here a little bit. And up here, so I think, because I can make little butterflies up here. Okay. Alright, now I have just a blank clear one. This is what these look like. Right, and I have them in little smaller little butterflies. Now what I did with this is, these are all alcohol-based markers, so you can use a marker instead. You don't have to do use the ink refills. And you can come in here and ink this part up. Now, I'm not going to do you can do this section, you do whatever you want, but I'm just showing you what I did with this particular one. Oh, I did ink it. Alright, let's go and do it. Alright. And I came in here, and I want to put some, I did polka dots everywhere. Big ones, small ones. Let's do big ones first, and then I'll come back and I'll add little ones to it after. Just go and all over the place, just dot, dot, dot. I just thought it was cute. And we do big ones here. And if you don't like what you did, if it's not dark enough, you just come back and color over top of it again. Little dot, dot, little dots all over it, doesn't matter where. Yeah. There. Okay, looks good. Now, all I did was, I like to make it really pop out because you can't see the edges. So I just take a darker color, a wider section of the marker, and I'm going to just edge. So you'll see how it's going to turn and pop out when you do the red. Or this, what color is this called? It's some kind of rose color. That's what it's called. Rose! Some kind of rose color. It is rose. Alright, a little dark there if you don't like it. You have a second to wipe it off. I think I'll keep it anyways, as long as I match the rest of it. Anyways, just fool around until I like it. But you have so many seconds that if you don't like what you did, you can wipe it off. Or yeah, there's I don't have the solution, but alcohol, a type of alcohol base that I don't know if rubbing alcohol will work. I haven't tried that yet because I didn't have any, but it might take it off. You need something to do with. But you have so many seconds to like remove it if you want to. In this video, I only brought out 3 markers right now, so come back and fix the darker parts. You know, technically I could come in and re-edge with another one if I don't like it either. I can come back with darker dots if I want. Whatever I want to do. I don't know if I like it or not, but like you get the point that you can color whatever way you want. I actually like this one better, just the lighter edge, but and I'm going to try after. I'm pretty sure there's rubbing alcohol. I just don't have any to show you that. The other one has to dry. Oops. So, and I'll bring all my some butterflies in here. There we go. Different ones, sizes, and I even made little flowers. See, I didn't waste any of the edges. Right here, I could use my little puncher. My flower punch, and right here, I'm going to do one in front of you. It's a little tough, but you can get it through there. So I just did one either way. The side you want to use, there it is. And I'll do a couple, and they look just like these. There's some more. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you. Please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.